Hello, Anthony. It's 11:15, September 26th. You called yesterday. I was on a semi-funded field trip. Uh, Regrettably, it was not the AGO. We went to Snakes and Lattes. You know, I've never really liked these kind of board game cafes before, but this was my first time going. So before yesterday, I'd I'd I would just be so cynical about them, and I thought I'd give it a fair chance. And guess what? It was fun, but would I do it again? Absolutely not. Let's play board games at home. How about that? Uh, Give me a call. I'm going to work actually soon, so don't give me a call. So maybe tonight or whatever suits you. Ciao. Absolutely not.